Hello, hello. I am going to make a video here, try to keep it real quick, about how to add EAs to your Schoology and set their section level role. So, starting from the beginning, this is my materials page on my class. If you scroll down here on the left-hand side to where it says members and click on members, you can add, this is a list of all the students in your class. You can add members. And so you can just type in the name. So for instance, my EA's name is Stephanie Curtis. So I'm just going to type in Stephanie Curtis, and there she is. So I'll click on her, and I can just add her to my class. And she popped up right here on the top. Sometimes they'll be a little bit farther down. Sometimes they pop in alphabetically, sometimes they don't. It's the fun of Schoology. But scroll down, find the EA that you just added, and then click on the little gear over here on the right-hand side, and you can make them an admin. Okay, so we're going to make them an admin, and then we're going to set their section level role. Okay, so first step, make them an admin. Yes, I would like to make Stephanie a co-admin. So now Stephanie is a co-admin with me, but I'm going to set her section level role so that I'm still the teacher, but she still has access to everything. So if I click again on the gear, now as you see, this has changed. And so I can set the section level role, and there are a bunch of different options. They can, you can set somebody to also be able to edit grades and edit materials, edit grades and just view the materials, all different options. The one we want for our EAs is we want them to be able to view the grades and view the materials. Okay, so then they'll have access to everything that the students have access to. They'll be able to see what the students are supposed to do, and they'll be able to see how the student is doing in class. Okay, so they have access to everything, but they can't edit anything. All right, and then click Save. And now, as you see, her little thing next to her name has changed from a shield with a star to just a shield. So that'll indicate that she has a different admin level than I do. And it is just that easy. All right. If you have questions or have issues, let me know. Otherwise, have a wonderful year.